Hello, welcome to another video. I am very happy to have you here with me, and be aware that today I will talk about the magnetic laundry system. Magnetic laundry system is a product that promises to replace the use of detergent in the washing machine. The system works through a magnet that is placed at the entrance of the machine. The magnet attracts the molecules of dirt and grease from the clothes, causing them to be removed during the washing process. But first of all, I ask you to stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to talk to you. It is important to be aware of frauds and scams related to this product. To ensure your safety, I left in the description of this video the official link where you can enjoy a special offer from the producer. Remember that the purpose of the video is completely informative, so stay until the end of the video because I have important alerts to do. What is it? The magnetic laundry system is a product that promises to revolutionize the way we do laundry. It consists of a pair of magnets that are placed inside the washing machine. Magnets create a magnetic field that helps remove dirt and stains from clothes without the need to use chemical detergents. The magnetic laundry system is based on water magnetization technology. Magnetized water is more effective in removing dirt and stains than ordinary water. This is because magnetic fields help break the bonds between the dirt molecules and the fibers of clothing. The product is easy to use. Simply place the magnets inside the washing machine and start the washing cycle. Magnets can be used with any type of clothing, including baby clothes, delicate clothes, and colorful clothes. Benefits. The magnetic laundry system offers a number of benefits, including cleaner and fresher clothes. The product helps to remove up to 99% of dirt and stains from clothes. Less use of chemical detergents. The product eliminates the need to use chemical detergents, which is healthier for the environment and skin. Softer clothes. The product helps keep clothes soft and silky. More durable clothing. The product helps protect the clothes from wear. Magnetic laundry system is an innovative product that can help make laundry easier, more efficient, and more sustainable. Here are some testimonials from people who bought the magnetic laundry system. My clothes are much cleaner and fresher after using the magnetic laundry system. I no longer need to use as much chemical detergent. John Smith. Magnetic laundry system is a great product. My children have an allergy to chemical detergents, and this product helped me find a safe and effective solution. Jane Doe. The magnetic laundry system is a great investment. It helped me save money on chemical detergents and protect my clothes. Mary Jones. Warranty. The program offers a 100% guarantee for your customers of 60 days to return the product. If you are not fully satisfied with the product within 60 days, just contact us at or call the toll-free number. Full refund of the product within 48 hours of return, no questions as to why. Conclusion. Write here in the comments your opinion about the magnetic laundry system and if you like this idea. If you like the magnetic laundry system, know more. I will be leaving here in the description the link for more information if you feel the desire to acquire. Kisses and see you next time.